I carry the fruit basket carefully. I carry the fruit basket carefully. I cut the fruit into small pieces. I cut the fruit into small pieces. I make a fruit salad. I make a fruit salad. I decorate the fruit plate. I decorate the fruit plate. I take a picture of my fruit salad. I take a picture of my fruit salad. I take a bite. I take a bite. I save some fruit for later. I save some fruit for later. I cover the fruit bowl. I cover the fruit bowl. I put the fruit in the blender. I put the fruit in the blender. I close the blender lid. I close the blender lid. I blend the fruit. I blend the fruit. I pour the juice into a glass. I pour the juice into a glass. I add some ice cubes. I add some ice cubes. I add a straw. I add a straw. I take a sip. I take a sip. I take a sip.